Birthday to you and many more.
Yeah, slow down.
Okay.
Put your hand above that and feel how hot that is.
Oh.
Candle's burning.
Oh, you're getting old. You can't do it after at 21, honey. Okay, get ready.
I think we should move the lotions. That'd be a good idea, guys.
Don't put them over the strawberries.
Okay.
Make a wish.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a wish. Hold on, I have to think about it. Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Can I blow now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Alright, good swimmer.
I'm sorry. I got two.
Didn't think about that. You should have a really good lunch, honey.
I
Okay. Did Claire get it?